How to create Google Form survey questionnaire. You can search for Google Form and you'll be redirected to this new page. Here, now to create your survey form, you can tap on Go to Form. You may find some of the templates regarding it, or you can even search for templates such as survey and give it a search. Over here, you may find various of templates that you can select from. Choose on any of the template that you require. Now over here, you can add the form description such as why you are conducting this survey and so on. If you wish some of the contact information, you can add a name, email address, phone number, and so on. Now to add a question, you can just type in. Now to choose the answer layout, you can just click on the paragraph icon and you can select if you wish a short answer, multiple choice, check boxes, drop down, and whatnot. Since this sounds like a yes or no question, you can add options such as yes, then another could be no. So if this is a compulsory question, you can toggle on the required option. Then to create such question, what you can do is you can create a read question and the desired format of the answering could be rating. Now over here, you can make it rate up to 5 or up to 10. Then you can also add any of the icon of your preference, and again, if it is important, just toggle it on. Now if you have some of the repeated rate question, here you have the copy button. You can just copy it. Then you have successfully created a duplicate slide and you can edit it out according to your preference, and this is how you can actually create a survey form. That's it for the video as well. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.